Hello again, fragrance fam. If you haven't noticed, we're gearing up for autumn here at AFI, so that means it's time to turn one of our favorite fall scents into something everyone uses, soap. So let's make some foaming hand wash with our version of Bath & Body Works Pumpkin Pecan Waffles fragrance. This formula is simple to make and can be customized with additives. Some water can be swapped for glycerin, aloe vera, or hydrosols for a foamy, luxurious feel. But the base formula is already plenty bubbly, so I'll make it as usual. Start with the first phase, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, which solubilizes the fragrance into the water base. Blend it with our comparable version of Pumpkin Pecan Waffles by Bath & Body Works at about a 4:1 ratio of PEG to fragrance oil. Stir well in a beaker. Next, add the surfactants. Alpha Step PC48 and Anthrazole CS50 pair nicely to create soft foamy bubbles, and both are naturally derived. Stir them into the fragrance mixture until thick and gloopy, which is normal. To turn this into a pumpable hand wash, add water, making the formula cost-effective and easy to use. But first, mix in a broad-spectrum preservative. Anything water-based should have one to prevent microbial growth, especially if gifting or selling. We prefer Optifin MIT Plus or Germabin 2. Adjust the usage rate based on your choice. Now combine the water with the other ingredients. At first, the mixture looks cloudy, but as you stir, it clears beautifully. This formula holds color well too, so feel free to add FD and C dyes for a bold, festive touch. As you can see here, I chose to use orange. For skin comfort, test and adjust the pH with a 50-50 solution of citric acid or sodium hydroxide. Citric lowers pH and sodium hydroxide raises it. Keep the final product between 5 and 7, close to the skin's natural pH to help maintain its barrier over many washes. Finally, pour into a bottle fitted with a foaming pump and it's ready to use. This is a very watery formula, so make sure your packaging is fitted with a nozzle like this one. Make sure you stay tuned for all of our upcoming tutorials. We're so excited to share our tips for using our best-selling fall fragrances and soaps, candles, and more. Subscribe to make sure you don't miss all of our seasonal projects so you can get your product line ready for the upcoming shopping sprees. As always, thanks so much for watching, Fragrance Fam. I'm Maddie, and I'll see you guys in the next one real soon.